Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I buy this as a replacement for an instant fat Vortex air fryer. I love that air fryer, but it kept cutting off. The thermal safety cutoff switch had to be reset every time. It overheated, which involved taking the top off completely and using a long square to push the reset button. Very hard to read. Eventually 350 degrees was too much for it, so I used but supposedly good one as a replacement and it arrived broken. So I ordered this one based on review and why I am glad I did. Only a day and but let me tell you the differences. Plus it is so quick and comprehension with the vortex. We had to crank the TV up just to hear it over the noise. Now it is so quiet we don't have to turn the sound up to us. Second, the vortex requires preheating every time, but this Chefman starts cooking immediately at an temperature. What a wonderful feature. Lastly, this air fryer has an option to turn off the beeping. The vortex was incredibly annoying with beeps at the halfway point and the end of cooking. I am absolutely thrilled with this choice so far. Hope this helps, and in reading review I would definitely recommend this machine.